Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks moved higher on Monday and the euro rose after Cyprus secured a bailout, reducing fears that the island would leave the eurozone. Asian markets were the first to react to weakened development in Cyprus for the second consecutive week, after investors spent much of last week assessing whether a bailout deal could be reached or whether the situation on the island was the start of a new chapter in euro's debt crisis. Japanese stocks were held by the weaker yen, with the Nikkei stock average up 1.8%. The market made a substantial recovery from its deep 2.4% drop on Friday. As markets in Asia started trading, late-night negotiations in Europe were making progress as Cyprus reached a deal with its international creditors. The bailout will consist of 10 billion euros in financing for the government and the closure of the country's second-largest bank, Cyprus Popular. The euro jumped on the news of a preliminary agreement with the single currency recently at $1.3041 compared with $1.2989 late Friday in New York. The yen weakened against the US dollar. The greenback was recently at 94.82 yens compared with 94.56 late Friday. Monday is a light day for economic releases, with updates scheduled for consumer confidence in Italy followed by a pair of US data reports: the Chicago Fed National Activity Index and the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Survey. US Chicago Fed National Activity Index 12:30 GMT. In contrast with Europe, recent economic news for the US has been upbeat, and today's February reading of the broad trend from the Chicago Fed is likely to reaffirm this profile. The 3-month average of the National Activity Index has increased in the last 3 reports, keeping this macro benchmark well above the danger zone of -0.70, which is considered a level that equates with recession. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.